Sawadee-krap. Hey guys, today I'm at Rai-Run Rom. It's an organic farm near Chiang Rai, like 1 hour driving apart, and looking at this vast, beautiful, huge land here. Yeah, something like that. Inspired me for SuperAwesomeWords Day 7. And today's word is tam-má-châat. Yeah, tam-má-châat translated means nature. And if you take a closer look at the two parts which make up tam-má-châat. First one is Tama. Tama has 4 different meanings, and it originally derives from the ancient Pali or Sanskrit from India, and it means morality or the highest duty which has to be like honored, regarding morals. Or Tama also means Dharma, which consists of the Buddhist teaching. And Châat, written like that, stands also for nature, for life, or for nation. So if we put both pieces together, we get like the Dharma nation, the nation of Dharma, the nation of the Buddhist teaching. So nature is the nation of the Buddhist teaching, which we should all respect with our highest values of morality, because it's actually the only nation we have. So respect it. Yeah. See you tomorrow and have my tamada. Have one my tamada. It's like hey, sawadee-krap. Yeah. Extraordinary day. Bye bye.